Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is SITI and BATRISYIA and my metric number is 1055. So I'm going to tell a few steps on how to import a product. So the first one is determine the product. You need to know what types of product that you want to import. You need to understand about the product details and its specification. For example, if you want to import a camera, you need to know what the exact types of the camera that you want to import, because different types have different regulations and requirements. And next step, you need to find the HS code for the product.
Okay, good morning, madam. My name is SUWATINI. My number matric is 1035. Today I'm going to present about my EOC end of chapter instruction 2. Okay, as for the instruction 2, the given information for the instruction 2 is CIF value per unit is RM 5000 and the import duty rate is 50% and the sales tax rate is 10%. So in this instruction 2, they are asked us to find the total CIF value for 1000 unit and determine the import duty, calculate the total taxable value after the import duty and compute the sales tax, and finally we have to find the total import cost. Okay, as for the first step, we have to find the HS code of the product, which is mobile phone. In Malaysia's HS code for the mobile phone is 8517.112 and 0.00. After we found the HS code, the second step is calculate the import duty. First of all, we have to find the total CIF value for 1000 unit, which is CIF value times total quantity. Our CIF value per unit is 500 ringgit and total quantity is 1000, so total is 500,000 ringgit. As for the second, we have to find the import duty. Import duty is we have to use CIF value times import duty divide by 100. So the CIF value for our mobile phone is 500,000 ringgit times 15% divide by 100, which we will get 75,000 ringgit. After we calculate our CIF value and import duty, we can move on to our step 3, which is calculate sales tax. Calculate total taxable value after import duty. We have to use CIF value plus import duty, which is 500,000 ringgit plus 75,000 ringgit. Total is 575,000 ringgit. After that, we can move on to our sales tax, which is total taxable value times by sales tax rate and divide by 100. Just now we get 575,000 ringgit, so we have to times by our 10% sales tax rate for the mobile phone and divide by 100. So we will get 57,500 ringgit. After we calculate all the steps, which is after we finish all the step 1 and step 2 and step 3, we have a final step, which is calculate total import cost. To calculate total import cost, we have to use CIF value plus import duty and sales tax. To our CIF value for mobile phone is 500,000 ringgit and import duty is 75,000 and sales tax is 57,000 ringgit, 57,500 ringgit. So the final answer will be 6,32,500 ringgit. So this is the total cost for the mobile phone. So here you can see the total final answer for this mobile phone instruction 2. Thank you.
So next, for the instruction 3, we need to find the HS code and import duty rate for a company that imports 2,000 unit laptop into Malaysia. So we need to find the total CIF value for 2,000 units, determine the import duty, calculate total taxable value after import duty, compute the sales tax, and find the total import cost. So the first step is we need to find the HS code of the product, which is laptop. So HS code for laptop is 8471.30. The import rate is 0% and the sales tax rate is 10%. Okay, for step 2, we need to find the total CIF value for 2,000 unit, which is the formula is CIF value per unit times total quantity, and the answer is 5,000 ringgit times 1000 unit, which is equal to 10 million ringgit. So next we need to determine the import duty, which is CIF value times import duty rate, which is 10 million times 0%, which is equal to 0 ringgit. So next step is we need to calculate the total taxable value of the import duty. The formula is total CIF value plus import duty. The import duty is 0, so which means the answer is 10 million ringgit. And we need to calculate sales tax. So sales tax is total taxable value times sales tax rate per 100. So RM 10 million times 10%, which is equal to 1 million ringgit. So after we calculate the step 1, 2 and 3, the last step is we need to find the total import cost, which is CIF value plus import duty plus sales tax rate. So RM 10 million plus 0 and plus 1 million is equal to RM 11 million.